Bryan Young, ProTinkerToys. There's one thing that goes together. Not like oil and water don't go together, but two things go together: slot cars and toy guns. Baby, we got it in. We got more of these in, baby. This is the #1 selling toy gun. Holy moly. And this thing is just awesome. This is a Tommy gun, all metal. Now that's plastic. This is all metal. This is plastic, but the main frame is metal. And this is a 8-shot cap gun. 8-shot cap plus your clip. That just clips into it, and you can. And this is the gangster. This thing was so popular in the 20s and the 30s. And actually, a lot of movies, American soldiers use this, but they actually had a clip, a long, slender clip. But this thing is made out of metal, plastic. It's Goner gun, made in Spain. It goes with slot cars because there's two things that go together: slot cars and guns. And we got both of them at ProTinkerToys.com. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and we'll see you later.
Buy yours today.